right now is I'm going to be doing the stuffing, and then the zucchini and squash, and then the mac and cheese. The first thing I'm going to do is the stuffing. I'm going to lay slices of bread on the pan, about 3 pans, and I'm going to put the bread in the oven at a temperature of 290 or something until it actually gets toasted the way I want it for the stuffing. I'm cutting onion first, dicing them not too tiny, chunks, and I'll do just one big onion and put it in that white bowl. And then I'll actually do the bell peppers next and celery. Now that the bread is done, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to melt some butter, put it in the microwave, and I'm going to start cutting the toasted bread into little small square pieces, every last one of them. Now I'm actually pouring all the bread in a bowl. Next I'm going to toss the bell pepper, onions, and celery in that bowl and mix it in with the bread for the stuffing. Okay, what I'm going to do next is mix all this up, the bell peppers, onions, and celery. And then I'm going to add some panko crumbs, a generous amount of it. Then what I'm going to do after I add the panko crumbs, I'm going to add black pepper, pink salt, rosemary, parsley, some thyme, leaves, parsley flakes, ground thyme, poultry, and sage. I'm going to add all that in there to season and flavor. Okay, next what I'm going to do, now that I'm done adding the seasonings, next I'm going to pour in the next ingredient, which is the butter, melted butter. I did a whole stick of melted butter, and I'm going to do another half of a stick of melted butter. I put four eggs and cracked it and put it in there. Now some chicken broth, reduced sodium. I'm pouring that in there, almost the whole container. I'm going to mix it up, pour a little bit, and then pour the rest of it in there and mix it up. Now I'm just mixing it all together. And then once I mix it all together, I'm going to add some more chicken broth and actually eggs and melted butter. Here we go with the chicken broth. Majority of the whole thing. Just mixing it all together. And then I'm adding one cracked egg in there and mixing it together. Then I'm bringing my pan over and I'm spraying it with some non-stick spray. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the pecans. I'm going to crush it in my hands and I'm going to add it to the stuffing. That's going to make it really delicious. Really, really good. Now what I'm actually doing is putting the stuffing in the pan now. And I'm going to put it in the oven with the bell peppers and everything. And the bell peppers I didn't saute, but it's going to cook into the oven. This is what it looked like. So now I'm just going to put it in the oven and under 350, and I'm just going to let it cook for 30 minutes or more. Now the stuffing is done, so we're going to just take it out and let it cool.